On to other developments, Tom.
Yeah, the East African community is calling for coordinated policy action and stronger climate financing to restore and protect Lake Victoria, which is the regional's largest freshwater resource.
EAC Deputy Secretary General in charge of Arid and semi-arid lands, Andrea Ariik Malueth, spoke to KBC on the sidelines of COP30, warning that communities living along the shoreline of Lake Victoria face rising climate-related risks and must be supported to relocate to safer areas.
Here's that report from Brazil.
The East African community is sounding the alarm over mounting environmental pressure on Lake Victoria, the world's largest tropical lake, and the heartbeat of the East Africa's blue economy. EAC Deputy Secretary General says the Lake Victoria Basin's rich network of rivers and waterways form a vital ecological system, feeding into regional economies and even sustaining a lifeline for countries as far as downstream, such as Egypt, through the River Nile.
By the fact that the East Africa community has been joined by DRC, which is bringing together Atlantic Ocean to East Africa community. We have numerous lakes and rivers in the community that are very good for maritime fisheries, among other resources that we can benefit from the blue economy.
Malueth says protecting Lake Victoria requires coordinated cross-border action, noting that pollution, poor waste management and encroachment along the shoreline are shared challenges that no country can solve alone.
The initiative we have as a community is to create awareness to the population that is settling around the lake, and also educate them on how they should protect the lake, how they should protect the maritime, and how best they can coexist with the lake.
He urged governments that directly benefit from Lake Victoria to strengthen goodwill and prioritize restoration efforts.
EAC is facing a lot of deficit in climate financing from our partner state, given that the partner state have different various priorities, competing priorities, be it infrastructure, be it security, be it social service, but also the climate financing. Our partner state take it as a national security threat, and it is being given a very serious attention from our partner state.
The East African community is keen on increased financing from partner states, development, and multilateral partners for ecosystem restoration and community resilience programs.
Lake Victoria is a heartbeat of the region, and the region depends on it in numerous ways, whether it is through water, through farming, through transportation, or fisheries. And therefore, the issue of lake becomes a key priority in the community. And the government, there is a political will from all the partners that the lake actually covers. And the political will is start with the assessment, is start also with the commitment of resources from the government, and the fact that the government of all these partner states have taken up the initiative to make sure that the experts work together.
Lake Victoria supports agriculture, fisheries, trade, transport and hydropower, and agriculture. Governments must match their commitments with stronger financing and political goodwill. This has been the message by the East African community as they make calls on safeguarding a lake that not only sustains livelihoods as well as economies. Reporting for KBC Channel 1 from Belém, Brazil, my name is Ndota Mokami.